Hi guys, welcome to OBS class. Last class we have seen about what is an operator and what are the arithmetic operators, how to write a program for arithmetic and assignment operators, right? Today's class we are going to see about little bit advanced topic of an operator concept, that is comparison operators. So in previous class and all, we used to compute some values, right? For example, a plus b, so 10 plus 20 equal to 30. So here the values will be of an number. Okay. And you can do also with character, but you have some defined values, right? But this is for computational purpose. All your arithmetic operators is for calculating purpose. Okay. And when you come to this comparative operators, you're going to make some decisions, okay, whether it is true or false, like that. Your results will be all the comparative operator results will be either true or false, that is boolean. Okay, you will be having boolean values as a result, that is true or false. Okay, let me check with an example how this works. You know what are all the operators of a comparison, right? So that is less than, greater than, less than, equal to, greater than, equal to, and not equal to, and equal to, right? These are kinds of an comparison operators. Where do we do? We use this kind of operators in the sense either we might be using within the looping structures like if, else, and so and all, or within the methods. Okay, let me check with an example program. So here is one program. So we have created a class and created a main function. Under that, I have created two variables. One variable is num1 and another variable is num2. Num1 and another variable is num2. Okay. Now let me push out the values of num1 and num2. So what is the value of num1 is equal to 20 and num2 is equal to 20. Now I'm going to assign the values. Okay. So my values are 20 and 20 now. Okay, just I'm going to compare whether they are equal or not. At present I have given you the memory structure in the screen. You can see when I am seeing inside the box I have 20 ma'am, so both are having 20, so it is equal. But how come the computer will understand? Okay, so the computer has some methodology for doing this. So it doesn't understand 20 directly, it will understand in binary forms only. So it does some calculations. How could I do means a variable has a unique memory address. So you need to, when the computer has to go and look into this particular memory and find it out, it is value is 20, and again it will go and check here it is also 20. Then this equal to operator, here is an operator definition part going to exist here. So this equal to operator definition part will bring out the necessary statements to come out the result whether it is true or false. Okay, now it will result it as true. Okay, because both I'm having 20 and 20. Okay, if it is of 30 in the sense num2 equal to 30, it will leave out the answer as false statement. So this is about comparison statement. Here for an example I have given equal to operator alone, and keep it in this memory. This equal to operator is different. This is for assignment, this is for assignment, and this is for checking. Okay, comparison operator, wherever you are writing within looping statement or within a function, that is within this equal to operator should be used. So keep this in a memory. Now let us look into logical and operator. So what is now we have compared two variables, right? We have compared two variables. Now at present, now we are going to compare two conditions. Okay, I'm going to compare the variables based on the conditions. Let me check out this program. Okay, here also, here I have one particular, only one variable I'm going to check. Here, what is, before going into logical operator, let me recap what are all the logical operators. Okay, in the previous class we have seen this double ampersand, and this is or operator, and this is not operator. Okay, so these are the operators. What is these operators means abdina? Here also your results will be of boolean. Here also your results will be of boolean. So what is boolean means? It has only two components, either true or false. Okay, um, okay. Now I have a variable, and that variable is num, and num has a value of 20. Okay, so this is logical, and logical, right? So I have some condition. It's like I don't know the content value of num. Okay, I don't know the value of num, and I just want to know how would be the value of num will be, whether it may be less than 20 or it might be greater than 20. So I have two options. Okay, I have two options, whether it is less or greater than. So I need to check, uh, if I am in a situation, if a variable num is value between 20 and 25, I have some set of statements to be done. So I can conclude that the number is between 20 and 25, might be 23, 24, 21, 22. So I have some conclusion, right? So to do that, I need to check two conditions, whether it is less or greater. So to do that operation, I am going for logical. So meaning logical testing. So we are going to check two conditions. Okay, let me check out this example. Okay, what is my condition? In the sense, I am going to check first part, num is greater than 30. Okay, what is the value of num? Value of num is 20, so I directly write the value as 20 here. First condition is 20 is greater than 30. Okay, and um, next condition is num is less than 25. Is 20 is less than 25. These are the two conditions I need to be checked. Okay, before going to this, you should remember the table of and symbol. So what is the table of and symbol in the sense? So what is the symbol of and in the sense? If both the conditions are true, if both the conditions are true, if both the conditions are true, I can conclude to a point that uh, my output is also true. If both the conditions are false, if both the conditions are true, I can conclude to a point that if both the conditions are true, my output is also true. If both the conditions are false, my output is also false. If any one of the condition is false, output is also false. Okay, this is my rule for my AND condition. Okay, simply T and F can be replaced as zeros and ones. That will be more equally easy to understand. 0 into 1, anything is 0. Okay, 1 into 1 is always 1, and 0 is always 0. This is AND condition. Okay, we are going to apply this particular rule in our program. Okay, so what is my condition is 20 greater than 30. Okay, and 25 less than, sorry, 20 less than 25. These are the conditions I'm going to check it out. Okay, So let me give a true or false statement. Is 20 is greater than 30? No. Am I right? So it come up with false statement. Okay. And 20 is less than 25? Yes, it is true statement. Okay. According to the table calculation, what is the result of T and F? Which means 1 and 0 is nothing but 0. Okay, 0 means it is a false statement, so that only in the output statement it has been listed as a false. Okay, this is logical and we have frequently like or and not and all we will be seeing in the next video. Thank you.